doing well. I have some piece to share with you. Enjoy. Depression. I have a friend so close to me, and his name is never mind. I call him D. And the pressure he puts in my head, I get swallowed by these shits. I really wish to die. Not hard. I want to hide, disappear, and never be found. I'm tired. I eat once a day, and some days I don't visit kitchen at all. The truth is, I don't want to be seen. I have fallen in love with dark rooms. I'm scared of the person who reflects in the mirror. Someday, I looked at the mirror but I couldn't see through. The wind of pain staring at me and I couldn't hold the pain. So I tried that night. The mistake I made was to pull it up. Of course, I am a man. I'm scared of me, the anger busy whispering in my ears. I feel so lonely. This cloud anxiety gets the best of me. I just can't wait to go back and lock the door. Look, look at these damn walls busy reminding me of everything that happened that day.